This is a 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium 2 package, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, and the pre-safe collision mitigation system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, rear fog lamps, a stability control system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 22,000 miles on the odometer. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.